are pleased to show you the 2019 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, compass, power windows, fog lights, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, heated front seats, electronic stability control, panic alarm, brake assist. Come take a test drive today.